Are you ready for a world history time travel adventure? With our World History Time Travel Adventure Pack, you're going to be able to go throughout history, looking in detail at different events that have happened across the world over different periods of time. You'll be able to see how long things last for, when things relate to other things, and all happening all over the globe at the same time. It's an amazing resource, and we're going to give you a sneak peek at some of the resources you're going to get inside it. You'll get timelines for 6 different geographical regions of the world. You'll be able to print those out and stick them together. You could put them up on your walls, you could put them on the floor, you could take them outside and put chalk marks on. They are brilliant to use. In the pack as well are smaller timelines, so if you just want a small version, maybe to have on a lapbook or to hand on a desk, you'll be able to print those out. Not only do you have all the timelines in your pack, but you also have event cards, and these give a lot more detail as to the events in history. You can put these along your timeline, you can do whole projects using them, and there's blank ones as well, so you might want to draw pictures or fill in your own events that have happened and then put those on your timelines too, building a detailed chronological history resource. Do let us know how you've got on with our brand new resource, and we'd love to see what you've been up to.